Hi, here we are, the very important lessons that tackles about the birth of modern SEO concept. This is the moment in which the SEO specialists have understood how to manage the assimilation of mathematical rules that command the world in a functional way. The emergence of modern SEO sanctions that historical moment in which we moved from traditional writing mechanisms, which envisaged the optimization of existing pages, until those modern ones that provide for the writing of a functional project to the keys to be obtained. Let me explain better, which with a very simple words. The first thing to check is the navigation menu that is convenient in order to understand the pages, which are the possibilities that are available. And this is a very simple logic of speech. If the pages are the semantic containers of our keywords, the asset of our pages is the whole of our possibilities. The modern SEO thinks in an opposite way, and now we will also discover how, starting from two absolutely fundamental concepts: respect for the rules of writing, rules that are starting to know and which will become an absolute familiar and lesson learned; compliance with the publication rules. In short, the absolute respect of the posts and the conditions that are imposed by the spiders during the scan has allowed to understand the management of a perfect publication. How to manage semantic communications easily in any CMS by identifying the same methods and perfect publications suitable for the said purpose. All starts from calculating a strategy because this is the real revolution and this is very important. Learn how to calculate a strategy. Starting from a mathematical rules, this is the real revolution and also the real challenge to learn. The others, the writing rules, publishing rules, monitoring and maintaining projects, are extremely simple because we only use two publishing systems which let you in an organic position in any CMS. The index systems, when working within WordPress, and the engine system when working in remaining CMS. So, what does this mean by having to summarize what is a modern SEO for a specialist today? The most important thing that you need to know is how to manage at best and knowing how to calculate the keywords you need in an orderly manner. To calculate them, you will need to be able to rely on an external software, but your wits, your ingenuity, the rest of the required skills, for example, for writing and publication phases, according to your mathematical rules, is compensated by the instruments that the modern CMS has. For example, the simple importer that every of WordPress has in its instruments, providing the management of importing content through XML formats in easy way of 500 pages in only 5 seconds. The modern CMS helps and guides us for technical phases in interventions for writing and publishing. Before to understand how to manage our CMS, it is important to know in a perfectly way the rules of semantics. That is the topic of the next two lessons, rules of writing and of publishing. See you. Bye.